someone asked on the YouTube channel, right, how to download the lifesaver. So the person installed the same version of Visual Studio on the computer, and he's trying to run the extension. Yes, I'm running a Windows 7, and let's see. So the thing is, the person probably opened the web, the HTML file or the coding part or anything which you have coded in the Visual Studio, right? Then he has went to where it says extension. Let's just zoom in. Under extension, he searched, or she searched what? A lifesaver, right? Then maybe the person have just clicked on it and click where it says install. Let's just see how it goes. I'm running where you can see about I'm running a version 1.50 on a Windows 7. That is a Windows 7 which I'm running here. And well, let's wait and see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, extension is enabled globally. As you can see, on my computer, the extension is really being installed, right? Maybe you're installing the other extension, maybe from, let's say, Microsoft. Let's try, as you can see, unable to install the MS Visual Studio Code Lifesaver extension because it's not compatible with the current version of what? vscode, right? Okay, the thing is, now I've got it suggested. You come on this one, right? You come on your lifesaver, right click on it. As you can see, there is no option of selecting other versions, so this one does not work. So you have to try to use other lifesavers that are available, such as this one, and there are lots of other lifesaver preview which are available on the VS Code. So now let's go to our coding, right? Then we go and right click on our home.html, then we click on open preview, right? As you can see, it's going to open the preview of the website which we are creating. The other thing which you can do, right, let me just cancel the CSS. You can come here and say split editor, right, then you drag this one lifesaver into this splitted screen, then you close this one, then you start working on it. You start working on your code. Let's say I'm going to change like Mtunzi. Okay, there's the welcome. Right? Welcome to Mbonis. Okay, as you can see, the moment as you are editing, everything will be changed. The moment you are editing, everything will be changed on the screen. So you can just use this open preview. That's best for you. Or you can say click on run, start debugging, and you to go to a certain point where you have to select which one do you want to use, the browser, Chrome, Edge, it's your choice, and it will view. These are the other ways you can deal with it on a Windows 7. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, well, leave a comment and I'll be able to hear from you. If you have a solution, well, good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. So as you can see, the other thing which I was thinking, right? So maybe you are enabled, maybe it didn't install, right? Then you can right click on this, then install other versions. And as you can see, there are other versions which are available here 5 years ago, and this is the right lifesaver which you can use, which you can save your life. Cheers, bye for now.